Hey guys, Jeff with Dustless Tools getting back to you. Today we are talking about the DustBuddie XP. Again, this comes in a 5-inch and a 7-inch. The 5-inch is the D5835. The 7-inch is the D5850. And these are the DustBuddies for grinding concrete with a hand grinder. Now, there's a few differences between this and the original DustBuddie. This one is made with a glass-filled nylon. It's a dark material instead of the see-through material on the polycarbonate DustBuddie. This one does have the universal mounting system, just like the original DustBuddie. Also, the difference in this one is that it has, instead of the removable clip up front, it has a sliding clip up front so that you can grind up against your walls, and then it just slides back into position for full containment. The DustBuddie XP comes with spacers again. It comes with the 18-inch hose and the releasable zip tie for hose management. Now this is an awesome shroud that goes into our grinding shroud line along with the original DustBuddie. If you have any questions about any of our products or about this product specifically, the DustBuddie XP, make sure to put them in the comments. And if you want to see a review on any of our other products, again, put it in the comments. And stay safe out there, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.